Oh, this is such an awkward angle. But anyways, this is called danbing. It's like a very classic Taiwanese breakfast. So basically you had like a pancake kind of stuff, or like a tortilla maybe, fry them, and then you add an egg into it. Usually you can eat it like this, you just roll it up. But here, I made some potato salad yesterday. So I was thinking I could add some of that into this and then roll it up, just to like make my breakfast a bit more filling, and that's what we're gonna do. I think that's enough, maybe a little more. And then we have this 甜辣酱, which is like a typical sauce you eat with dumpling. And yeah, that's my breakfast for today. I just finished my first week after my vacation, because I did a bit after GDC to stay around San Francisco. Friends live there and we met up during the weekends, which was pretty fun. In the week of GDC, I only stayed in like the downtown area of San Francisco, and it just doesn't feel that like magical or beautiful as a city. Or maybe it's like I'm coming from Taiwan where it's like super safe. It's just like walking around in San Francisco, always a bit like tense and not fully relaxed. But then during the weekends, my friends took me like out of the city because they have a car, and they just like drove me around, which just made San Francisco so much more beautiful, you know? Once you get out of the city, you can really feel like how beautiful San Francisco is. First week after the vacation wasn't that bad, but you know, there's just a lot of emails, a lot of Slack threads to catch up. And I was kind of excited to get back to VFX and start making stuff, which got me really want to do my own personal projects. I do have a piece that I'm working on for my portfolio, and I feel like being an artist just means, you know, you're constantly trying to better yourself. Even though you already are working full-time as an artist, there's always that pressure. Maybe it's just the gaming industry is just like in complete chaos for the past few years. I always felt like I need to keep upgrading my portfolio and like prepare myself for like a layoff someday. But besides that, it's also pretty fun to work on your personal projects. You're your own art director and you can do whatever you want. There's no limitations. Use as many Niagara systems as you want, and just crank up the spawn rate and stuff. Anyways, that's just what's going on after my GDC trip recently. want to show a bit of my progress on my personal work here. This is what I did for last time. It's back in February already. So basically this time I want to do some personal work with more like animations in it. Last time I like polished up all like the laser beams and then came up with like this meteor attack at the end. And then for today, here's what I got. So today I'm mostly just fleshing out the meteors today. And if you don't know yet, I recently did a GDC talk about like math used in VFX. It's called Math But Make It Cute. I have the project files on my Gumroad, but basically I made a stylized fire there and I thought it could be great to use for my meteors. So what I did there was I changed the colors there from like the orange, like the fiery colors, into the red and black that I'm using here in my project tiles. Let me show you. So you can see like the core is what I had in my talk, what I made from my talk. It's like the fire. Let me isolate that. I added like the black color in the core and then all the reds surrounding, and then I added a ribbon to it, which I think I need to like repaint a texture because right now it isn't really working together. But yeah, basically that's my progress today. It's still very, very rough. I worked on this for like an hour and this is all I got. So yeah, VFX really takes a lot of time. Let me show you my results today again. But yeah, that's what I spent my time after work for today. Just got this like random boost of motivation to finish my personal piece. These things takes so long. I only work on it when I feel like doing it, and that's like very rare since I already do VFX for work. The last one took me like 10 months in total. I'm not sure how long this one will take, but hopefully I can get it done soon. If you have any suggestions on this, let me know, because I think like the meteor attack is still kind of like weird and not on theme. I was thinking of maybe going with like just like a simple beam, think like Brimstone's ultimate. But anyways, I'll keep working on it and hopefully I can finish soon.